Hi, very good afternoon. This side Rajesh from RD Educational Services. Basically, what I have find out, my finding is basically a commercial on a daily basis who is dealing with different stakeholders face some problem with respect to commercial contracts. So this presentation has been prepared with respect to resolution or problem what this guy is facing in day-to-day basis or day-to-day agreements. Commercial contracts are legal documents that outlines a series of rights and obligation of each contractor party, describe the nature of the business relationship between the parties. A commercial contract is a crucial part of the business world, but largely ignored or puzzled by many business professionals in the part of world. Type of commercial contract includes your fixed price commercial contract, time and material commercial contract, and definite commercial contract, and others. Such contracts also cover employee safety, wages, hiring, and loans and other related terms. All the agreed terms and concerns are equally concerned with both the parties. Underneath mentioned factors should be considered while creating a commercial contract. Number first, commercial contract file number and date on which contract is being signed by both the parties. Effective date on which contract is made and entered. Type of the commercial contract, name of the formal act under which contract is prepared. Detailed information for both the parties, including name of the concerned person, name of the organization, authenticated address, and contact number. Covenant and terms to proceed with the commercial contract. This includes payment procedures, obligation for both the parties, and termination clause of the contract. Commercial acceptance signed by both the parties, which basically both the parties can keep duplicate commercial contract copies. This is because one clause is in a commercial contract can make a whole lot difference between the winning and losing when a dispute cannot be amicably settled. The thin line between the winning and losing often translate into making or losing a lot of money. This is what counts. As a matter of fact, a properly drafted contract can help one achieve a lot of purpose, which includes it helps corporate in advance its own agenda, it protects corporate interest, and it mitigates or even eliminate any potential risk on corporate side. Commercial contracts are one of the most widely used category of the contracts. These are formal documents which are used to legally bind both the parties together and ensure the protection of interests. Through a commercial contract, involved parties are obliged to carry out certain tasks and responsibility, no matter if the contracts are oral or written. The importance of the commercial contract remain intact. Commercial contract basically are the basis of many of daily activities. They provide means for individuals and businesses to sell and otherwise transfer property, services, and other rights. Without enforceable contracts, commercial would collapse. What is a contract? A legally binding agreement. It's a legal binding agreement. In other words, a promise or set of promises which law will influence or enforce. The agreement will create rights and obligations that may be enforced in the court. The normal method of enforcement is an action for damages for breach of contract, though in some cases the court may order performance by the party in default. An agreement is simply a mutual assent or a promise between two or more parties to do something, although often used as a synonym of the for contract, agreement is a much broader term. Furthermore, while all the contracts are agreements, not all agreements are contracts, and not all the contracts are legally binding or enforceable. The purpose of this, basically, why I am clarifying this purpose, intent, and types of contract attempts to demystifying contracts law so that one can better understand, prepare, and commit to agreement and protect one's business needs. As per law, definition of agreement is a concord of understanding and intention between the two parties with respect to effect upon their relative rights and duties of the certain past or future facts or performance. Essential element of a contract agreement: one party make the offer, other party accept the offer, and both achieve consensus. And basically it meets the mindset. Consideration: second thing is consideration. Both parties must have provided consideration. Each side must promise to give or do something for the other. Intention to create legal relations: the parties must have intended their agreement to have legal consensus. The legal will not concern itself with purely domestic or social agreement. Capacities: the parties must be legally capable of entering into contract. Absence of vitiating factors: absence of factors that are going to invalidate a contract is undue influence, mistake, misrepresentation, and illegality. I have written a book. This book is basically this book covers up all commercial contract, whatever litigations one can face while drafting an agreement. So everything has been. I've tried to cover up all the aspects what one can cover up. So this book is available on KDP Amazon. The title of book is Commercial Contract. Link has been already mentioned. So as a commercial person, again I am saying it's our day-to-day basis. We are as a commercial person, what I do see when I am connecting with any stakeholder, every our expectation from the stakeholder is different. So definitely line of thought, line of agreement, line of activity would differ. So I've tried to cover up how much I can in this book. So please go through. Thank you so much for listening.